this ads account has been disabled, right? So you can see here under the third section here that my payment is unsettled. That is why my ads account was disabled. Here you can see that the card was successfully added, and this is what I have presently now on my card, right? So they can charge me directly from this card now. So I want them to charge 3,000 naira from this card, which I'm going to be doing shortly. So I'm going to click on confirm. Clicking on confirm will process the payment page and deduct the money from the card directly and my account. You can see right here that this payment was successful. You're welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of coming across a channel like this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and here we're like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation, arbitrage, online payments, and how you can make money online, right? So do well to join our community by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Just smash that subscription button there to be able to have access to our coming videos, right? So now I want to quickly address some issues. Now this ads account has been disabled, right? I've recorded a tons of videos on payment method when it comes to Facebook marketing or Facebook ads or Instagram ads, Google adverts. You can do well to watch the video at the description box of this tutorial, right? So they Facebook have their own policies when it comes to running adverts with Facebook. You don't want to go against their community guidelines, in the sense that if you are using a prepared account, whenever you have your balance, let me click on this guy here. Let me go to settings to show you what I mean here. So this guy that I'm presently clicking at here, once I click on it, I have three different ads accounts set up. This is the first one here, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So you can see here under the third section here that my payment is unsettled. That is why my ads account was disabled. Now, that is the first strike that Facebook will give me, simply because I was using a normal account, a current account, and not a prepared account. Remember, we have two type of Facebook ads accounts, right? We have prepared. The one of prepared is the one you can use pay you option for, where you have to pay as you earn, right? Like you pay as your Facebook keeps running. You can use your local ATM card, you can use your any ATM card to make a payment. So it will show on your prepared balance. But we have the normal current account, which you have to do what? You have to use your normal bank card to add as your payment option, where Facebook will help you keep on running your adverts, and you are still going to be owing them, so you can have the option to pay later. So when Facebook discover that you are not paying for these stuffs, they are going to disable your account. That's the first policy strike that they are going to give you, that you are owing them, so you need to pay up, right? So now if I'm to click on this billing and payment here, you can see here that this ads account was disabled, and they indicate that the reason why it was disabled. They said you were able to process your payment. So they now advise me to pay the due amount, so I'll be able to run advert again. Now, this account is in current account and not prepared account. You know, I told you guys that we have two types. We have prepared, we have current. Now here, this is a current balance. This current balance gives you opportunity to run advert even though you don't have a money on your ads account, right? So presently I'm owing these guys, and that was the reason why my account was disabled. And if you fall under the category of this set of people, now this is it. I've added my bank card. These are the two bank cards that I added. If I'm to click here now, you will see the cards, but I don't want to show my details. Do you get it? So that's why I'm not going to be showing that. So I've tried to top up this my ATM card, but it's still not working. I've tried to add some other local bank cards and still the same thing, right? So in this case, I'm going to be telling you the bank card that I was able to use and I was able to make this payment, and I'm going to be clearing this balance off, which is 3,000 naira in Nigerian money, right? So now you want to click on pay. I want to clear my account so I'll be able to run advert again, right? So I want to click on this pay now, where I have this pay now option here. So I'm going to click on it. Right, clicking on it will takes me to this new page here. So it's going to be telling me to do what? To add a payment method. Now this one here, I don't have funds in there. They would have deducted it directly, but it was due to the fact that I don't have funds in there. So I want to add a new payment method right here. So I'm going to click on add new payment method and click on next. Clicking on next will takes me here. So I'm going to input the name on my card, right? So once I input that, then I'm going to censor my screen right now for security reasons. So I'm going to input the new card number that I want to use now. So if you have been trying it and it's not working, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp to be able to tell you the type of card that you can use, right? And you can also drop your comment section to ask me the type of card, so I'll be able to respond to your messages, right? So let me quickly add these cards here. So now that my informations have already recorded, so I'm going to click on save now. I've already input my details there. So let me wait for this guy to save my informations. So they are presently processing it. Let me wait for this guy to finish the processing. So here you can see that the card was successfully added, and this is what I have presently now on my card, right? So they can charge me directly from this card now. So I want them to charge 3,000 naira from this card, which I'm going to be doing shortly. So I'm going to click on confirm. Clicking on confirm will process the payment page and deduct the money from the card directly and my account. You can see right here that this payment was successful and I have successfully cleared my debt from Facebook. So if I want to do what? If I want to proceed now, I can easily click on done. Once I click on done, my payment will be cleared directly. So if I'm to refresh this page, you will see that the payment will be cleared shortly. So let me just go back now and refresh this page. So you will see that my payment will be successful and my account will go back to normal. So let me try to refresh and see what I have. So, or let me close this app, right? So I'll be able to open it again, then show you guys what I have. So let me click on my ads, Meta ads account. So we'll be able to see the overview. Now you can see here that everything has been cleared and my account is now active again. You can see that this is the advert that I was presently running now, and you can see that it is back active. So if I'm to go to my settings again, then go to my billing. So you can see now that it is this is what we have now. It is active, and before now it was disabled, right? That I will be able to have options to do what? Pay with my PayU option, which I was telling you the other time here. So it's as very simple as that, guys. If you have any complaints, if you want me to help you resolve, if your ads account is having issues, you're having issues with your Facebook ads account, your ads account was disabled, you are not able to run adverts, or you need a complete course on how Facebook marketing works, on how you can start promoting your business on Instagram and Facebook, you can easily reach out to me, right? So thank you guys for watching this advert to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next video. And before then, before I go, let me show you my balance. I've tried to refresh this page now. If I'm to click on billing, you can see here that my current balance is what? 0.00. This simply means that Facebook has already cleared off the balance that I have on my ads account, right? So it's as very simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.